What if you could get pretty much done for you traffic where you basically just say, hey, I want my traffic going to this link. That's pretty much all you got to do. If that sounds interesting to you, I think you're going to love what I have to tell you about my review of Promote Any Link. Okay. We're looking right now at the sales page for Promote Any Link. This is from my friend Dawood. Now, this is very similar to most of his other products. Basically, it's just a variation on a theme where he is going to drive traffic for you. The sources vary. He has sometimes he'll promote it to his own list. Sometimes he has other lists that he works with. But it's always pretty much the same idea, basically. You just tell him where you want the traffic to go, and he sends the traffic for you. It's pretty simple stuff, really and truthfully. There's not a whole lot to it. I'll show you the members area in just a second, of course, but before I do want to show you my custom bonuses because ultimately, you could buy this thing from anybody, but when you buy it from me and only from me, you're getting a man in the hat review and a man in the hat bonus. Yes, I know you're the man in the hat also, but right now we're talking about me. We're not talking about you. So go rob a bank or something. Anyway, but seriously, so I decided to go old school for this bonus because this thing is all about getting you traffic, and yeah, you're going to get some decent traffic out of it. You're going to get some leads out of it. But what if you wanted more traffic than that? Well, I put together a package of some of my best stuff to basically drive additional traffic for you. And of course, every single thing that I'm going to give you today is going to come with full PLR rights because after all, if you want to be a successful entrepreneur, then you need to have stuff to give away to your own customers.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Thank you, Liz Lemon. It's nice to see you back, by the way. I missed you before. We had that weird guy who was talking about entrepreneur and all these other weird things. Liz is just, she's nice. Anyway, but seriously. So check this out. First and foremost, I got 4 of my very best traffic methods. Now, I've never given away PLR on these before. This is the first time I'm doing it. These are some of my top methods. I'm obviously not going to tell you what they are because that's traffic secret. But you get all 4 of these courses. They're 4 individual video courses that I created. I'm going to show you some of my best traffic methods. You're going to be able to take these methods and actually not only use them, but give them away as your own bonus so that when you're trying to get the people that Dad was going to send to you, you have a great bonus to offer them. Now, of course, that alone will be a pretty good bonus. I'm already giving you 4 of them right there. But of course, I know somebody's going to say, Eric, that's kind of crappy. Just 4 bonuses?
What a load of crap.
I just said that it's... go away with your crap business. But seriously, no. Look, I'm going to do more than that. Check this out. I got 2 additional websites that you can drive traffic from videos with. I've been experimenting with these. These are great because they are additional traffic sources which you're not going to see most people talk about. Most people don't know about it, but they still get millions upon millions of views. And unlike YouTube, it's not as saturated, so you can actually succeed there. You don't have to worry about competing with every Tom, Dick, and Harry that's uploading videos every 5 seconds. Like literally, I think they estimate it's like 48 hours of video uploaded every minute to YouTube. So it's literally impossible for everybody to see everything on YouTube. But these things have less traffic, but also a lot less competition. So you're going to be able to make more money from these things. Again, these are going to get you more traffic, but I'm still not done yet. How about I also show you my top secret hack for finding a domain name that you can use with any kind of website that you like. Okay, this is one of my favorite methods because you can get high quality domain names that will rank for you and that you're not going to have to worry about how to actually find them. Now, I'm going to show you my secret methods I've been using. And I'm still not done yet. I'm also going to show you how to do check your on-site SEO for free. This is very important. If you want to drive traffic, then you want to have good quality on-site SEO. I'm going to show you all the different tips and tricks that I found that will help you to do that. So again, you're going to get all 8 of these bonuses included from me when you pick this up for me. Really, really incredible stuff. So let's check out the members area real quick over here. It is a very, very simple members area. Basically, you click promote your link, and he's going to tell you. All you do is just send an email to them with your URL and a copy of receipt, and that's pretty much it. I mean, there's nothing else to it. Okay, there's nothing to do. All you do is just submit your URL. Um, Very, very simple stuff. Again, he's going to send the traffic for you, so you don't really have to do anything for it. Super simple stuff. So let's see if I'm going to formally give a tip of my hat to the product creator or not.
You the man!
Yeah, seriously. Okay, you demand. This is awesome. Okay, this really just is easy, simple stuff. Are you going to get thousands upon thousands of leads? Probably not. But are you going to get some decent leads for your under $10? Yes, absolutely. You are going to get that. Grab this. It's worth grabbing, especially when you get my bonuses.